How we doing, folks? James, our Junior Sales Executive over at BMW Joe Duffy, Charlestown, and today I've this stunning 2020 BMW X3 xDrive20d xLine. Let's take a quick look around there. Up front you notice the iconic BMW kidney grille with the LED lighting. This X3 comes in the carbon black metallic paint finish with the BMW spoked alloys on run flat tyres. It also comes with privacy glass in the rear. The BMW X3 xDrive20d badging. It is also fitted with an automatic trunk. Just a simple click of the key fob and she'll pop open. The rear seats are collapsible to give you even more space. And to close the trunk, it's a simple tap the button up there. Now folks, let's take a quick look at the interior. Now that we're inside, you can see the multifunctional sports steering wheel with paddle shifts. The BMW xDrive system on board with the automatic transmission. This car is also fitted with a sports, comfort and eco pro mode. Also on board is heated seats, ambient lighting, the BMW SOS system. It comes in the oyster white Dakota leather with a dark oak trim. Now folks, that was just a quick look around this BMW X3 20d xLine. If you have any questions or want to take this gorgeous car for a test drive, please feel free to stop into us at BMW Joe Duffy, Charlestown. Thank you very much for watching.